ABAP on HANA. Transform the way you develop in SAP. Introduction. The future of SAP development is ABAP on HANA. It merges the trusted ABAP language with the power of the SAP HANA in-memory database. Enables real-time, high-speed data processing and smarter application design. What is ABAP on HANA? An advanced version of ABAP optimized to work with SAP HANA. Moves from traditional disk-based databases to in-memory computing. Processes massive data instantly, improving performance and efficiency. Key features: core data services, CDS views. Build data models directly in the HANA layer for faster execution. ABAP manage database procedures, AMDPs. Execute complex business logic inside the HANA database for better performance. Fiori and SAP UI5. Develop modern, responsive, and mobile-friendly user interfaces. Optimize data access. Reduce data transfer between application and database layers. Enhanced analytics. Real-time insights and faster reporting with HANA's in-memory capabilities. Benefits: high-speed data processing and reduced latency. Cleaner, more modular, and efficient code. Better integration with SAP S4 HANA systems. Enables development of intelligent, real-time business applications. Career opportunities: SAP is rapidly migrating to S4 HANA, creating huge demand for ABAP on HANA developers. Professionals with ABAP on HANA expertise earn premium salaries globally. Ideal for SAP developers, consultants, and IT professionals looking to upskill. Call to action: upgrade your SAP career with Acqvisto's ABAP on HANA training. Learn how to build high-performance, next-gen SAP applications. Join now and become an SAP HANA expert.